The importance of checkout rules is probably the most undervalued skill you can have in the dropshipping business. If you build a Shopify store and you just overlook checkout rules, or you don't really understand how they work, you are going to lose customers. And that's a fact. I know from statistics, more people go to the checkout and don't buy an item than people that actually go and buy an item. And there are a few things you can do to make the system actually help you. Now, guys, we're going to be talking about an app today that I found, that I've used, that I've tested, and I've implemented into my stores. And I'm going to show you right now live how we are going to do that. So if you don't know what checkout rules are, you are going to want to watch this video. And if you know what they are, I found the app that's going to excel your Shopify store today. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Here to the checkout page, and this is a look before we added any rules. So for example, as you can see right here, I have added a quick address, the shipping method, the payment, and the billing address. So I can go and I can complete the order, and this is exactly what the checkout will look like. So we have the contact, the delivery, shipping method, payment, and the billing address. So we can say complete order. So let's just fill an email in right there. Okay guys, as you can see, I filled in my email, I filled in my country, my first name, last name, address, and everything I needed to do. I'm going to go with the standard shipping method right here, the cash on delivery, payment, and then the billing address. So once you have completed the order, this is literally what it will look like. Right here, you can see your order has been confirmed, and now you can actually go and you can pay everything. So that is how the checkout looks at the moment before we have added any rules. Okay guys, so shipping options are shown here, payment methods are shown here. At first glance, everything seems fine, but there are a few problems. If we go back right here, for example, we can see if we go over here and we can say, add this to the cart. As you can see, we just went back and I've filled in another address, for example, just to show you guys. So the free shipping is shown first. So customers always pick that, and cash on delivery is also available even for international customers. So there's no incentive for new customers and no communication about delays during holidays. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix all of these problems by using the Be Sure Checkout Rules app. You can find the app link right here in the description, or you can go and visit them yourself. So make sure that you check them out. So the first use case is showed paid shipping first. That is a huge problem to show free shipping at the top. Right now, when customers enter their shipping address, standard free shipping is shown at most customers will just select, and standard shipping is shown at the top. Most customers will just select the default option and complete checkout, meaning you lose potential revenue from paid shipping. So the solution is the following. We are going to go to the app and we are going to change the shipping rules. So we are going to actually create a rule and say, select reorder shipping method. So what we want to do is we want to come to our Shopify right here. If you have not already installed the Be Sure Checkout Rules app, make sure that you do that. So as you can see, I'm on my Shopify right here, the Fulfillman collab. I'm going to go over here to the apps where I've already installed the Be Sure app. So as you can see right here, we have 0 active rules and we are going to add rules. So I've actually cleared all of this so I can show you guys exactly how it works. So you can go through this a little bit more if you want to go into depth. They also have a tutorial, but I'm going to show you right here. You want to come over to the rules section, and this is where we are going to go, and we are actually going to add a rule. And I'm going to show you live how it actually changes on your Shopify store. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say add rule. So this is exactly how it will be. So I'm going to say reorder shipping methods right here. You can say hide shipping methods, you can rename them, or you can actually give a discount. So I'm going to say reorder. I'm going to say select rule. So standard, then we have the FedEx, and then we have the free pickup. Okay, so what I'm going to name it is I'm going to name it the shipping rule right here. Get rid of that. So now you can see shipping rule right here is the name of this rule. So it's optional. It's not shown to the customers. It's only for yourself to keep track. So the status, we can say testing. So we can actually test it, or you can make it active or deactivate it. So we are going to keep it active. And right here, the target is ship the rule shipping methods. As you can see, all shipment except subscriptions, all shipments, or you can do pickup as well. So what I'm going to do is select the conditions. So I'm going to say always, then reorder shipping methods using shipping price. So I'm going to do it according to shipping price. And I'm going to say then from high to low. Okay guys, as you can see, I've now saved the rule right here to select the condition. So it's always going to be like this. It is reorder the shipping methods using the shipping price and shipping method prices from high to low. So what you want to do then is you want to actually save it. So it's creating this rule now, it's saving it. And you can see right here, we have the shipping rule is the name of the rule. We have active, it's shipping type, and it's sorted. So what we are going to do now is we're going to go back to the Fulfillman right here at my store. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go completely back. I'm going to go right here. As you can see, my cart is empty. So just to show you that I have refreshed it, I'm going to go to my lovely snowboard store right now. I'm going to click this, add it to the cart, and then let's go and actually check it out. So I'm just going to have one snowboard in here and say check out. So right now you can see that the express shipping is at the top, and then we have the standard shipping. So that actually changed it straight away. So we now have everything that we need to fill in. For example, our contact, delivery, then we have the shipping method. And as you can see right here, if we go back to the shipping rule, we can go and read up that it says shipping price, shipping methods from high to low. So if we go right here, shipping methods from high to low. So as you can see right here, it starts from the express shipping and then it goes to the standard shipping. So we can select that. As you can see, our credit card information, bank on deposit, and then cash on delivery as well. So by default, this rule will actually go and prioritize paid shipping options. So the result is now when we refresh the checkout and enter the shipping address again, express shipping appears at the top. So this will actually go and encourage customers to choose faster paid delivery. So use case scenario 2 is you can hide cash on delivery for international customers. So the problem right now is even international customers can select cash on delivery, and that doesn't quite make sense if you don't support COD outside your home country. So the solution is we are going to go to the payment rules and we are going to create a rule where we can actually hide some payment methods. So we are going to set a condition where country does not have any of these values unless they are in the United States. So let's head over back to the Fulfillman collab right here. I'm going to go back to Shopify. So I'm going to click this, going to go to the Be Sure Checkout Rules app once again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to rules right here. So then what we actually want to do is we want to say create another rule. And this one is going to be the payment. So right here, you can see hide express checkout options, reorder payment methods, hide payment methods, and rename payment methods. So it's going to be hide payment methods. So we're going to click this rule and say select rule. So now, for example, we can see that we are going to name this payment rule, and let's put in brackets cash. All right, just so we know that this is for cash on delivery will not be available for certain countries unless they are within the United States. Okay guys, so what we're going to do right here is where it says always, we are going to go down and we are going to select the country and then say does not have any of these values. We're going to select that. And then all we have to do is select the United States. So now we want to scroll down. Let's just search it. So United States right there. So country does not have any of these values. And then we are actually going to go and we are going to say hide these payment methods, add the payment method, contains, and then we are going to go with the cash on delivery. So that is actually what we want to do. So what this means is if it does not contain the United States, it is going to hide the cash on delivery payment. So what we want to do then is we want to click the save button over here. As you can see, saved, please wait 1 minute. So we can go back to the rules right here. We can click that and you can see that there are two rules active right now. So one is the payment type. Another one is the shipping type. So we want to go back to the Fulfillment Collab store. So I'm going to go all the way back to my store. So I'm going to make sure that my cart is empty. And now I'm going to go and I'm going to add a different snowboard. But just before we do that, make sure that you refresh your page. So I'm going to refresh the page right now. I'm going to click and add the snowboard to my cart. So let's just take this one out. I'm going to say checkout. Now let's actually go and see. So for example, if I choose Canada, will I still have the option? No. So as you can see right here, we only have the credit card and the bank deposit option. But if we change it to the United States right there, you can see that we have cash on delivery available. So right here, we can change it back to Canada just to show you guys once again, it takes away the cash on delivery payment. So the result is if we actually do that cash on delivery is no longer available. So the use case is 10% of automatic discount. So we're going to be looking at a new use case, and this is 10% automatic discount for new customers. So the problem here is there's no incentive for first time buyers. And the solution is to actually go and to create a new rule where we will give 10% discount to a first time buyer. So that will actually give them that incentive to go and to pick up the snowboard in this case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Shopify, the Be Sure Checkout Rules app, and I'm going to create another rule. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. So what we want to do right here is we want to go to the discount rules right here, and then we want to say discount order amount. So you want to select that and then select the rule. So right here, you just want to say, okay, I understand. And then I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do for it to work. So we are going to go and we're going to set a discount value at 10%. We're going to add a message. So before we do that, let's just name this discount for a first time customer. Okay guys, as you can see right here, it's said the discount for a first time customer. So what we want to do is we want to scroll down all the way and we want to actually go here. And as you can see, we have new customer. So we want to say percentage, we can say percentage, and then we want to go and enter the 10%. And we actually want to say a discount message. So for the discount message, we want to say new customer discount, right? So right here, we're going to say new customer discount. Going to do that right there. And then after that, so as you can see right here, we have when a new customer apply only discount using percentage, 10% new customer discount is the message that they will get. So you want to go and you want to actually go and save the rule. Don't forget to save it. We're going to go back to the rules right here. And as you can see, we have 3 active rules at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my snowboard store. I'm going to refresh this page. I'm going to empty my cart. So I'm going to go, I'm actually going to select the blue snowboard. For this example, I'm going to say add it to cart once again. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and say checkout. So after that, we have already changed 2 rules. So we have changed the shipping rule and we have changed the discount rule. Okay guys, so we have changed 2 rules already, and that is the shipping rule as well as the payment rule. And now we are heading over to the last and final one, and that is the discount. So right here, we can see that there are no discounts yet. Okay guys, so I've just filled in another address to just make sure that the app knows I'm a first time customer. And right here, you can actually see it on the right hand side. So first of all, just to show you yet again another rule, we are selected in Canada right now. So we're not in the United States. And as you can see, we don't have cash on delivery. We only have the credit card payment as well as a bank deposit. So right here, you can see the new customer discount, and that is 10% of $989, and that is $98.90. So as you can see, we get the discount right there for the new customer discount. You can't actually click on it, but you can see right there the total amount. Then you get the discount and then the shipping fee as well, because this is for international shipping. Okay guys, so the last and final thing we are going to look into is the holiday delays. So the problem is that customers aren't actually informed about delays during holidays. And the solution is that we are going to go to the shipping rules and we are going to create a rule called rename shipping methods. All right, so first thing you want to do yet again is you want to come back to the Be Sure Checkout Rules app, go to the rules section and say create new rules. So what we want to do is we want to go to the shipping rules once again and create a rule that is rename shipping methods. So as you can see right here, discount shipping methods, rename shipping methods right here. So we want to select this rule and we are actually going to name it, let's say holiday shipping method. Okay, so right there, we have named it holiday shipping method. And then what we want to do is we want to scroll down and I'm going to show you step by step how you actually set it up. So for example, I'm going to go right down here and I'm going to select standard shipping. So right here, I want to go and I actually want to select. Okay guys, so what you want to do now is you want to come all the way down here and you want to say add a shipping method, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to select the standard shipping method and we're going to rename it. So right here, we just say add suffix and then we're going to enter a new name. So for example, we are going to type in orders during holidays might be delayed. So right here, we're going to say order during holidays might be delayed. So right there, we just add that. And then all you have to do is you have to go ahead and save the rule. So let's go back to the rules. So as you can see, we have 4 rules active right now. So I'm going to go back to the Fulfillman store, going to go back get out of this section right here. I'm going to go to my home page and I'm going to select the green one because why not? So I'm going to add it to my cart right now. So just let's empty this cart and then we are going to say check out. So the following is going to happen now. So this warning message actually appears next to standard shipping. So you can also apply this during holidays using the date condition. So let's just have a look over here. If we go and we select the United States. So we changed it back to the United States so we can actually have the different shipping methods available. So as you can see right here, we just filled in a quick address right here in South Carolina. And as you can see right here, we have the express delivery, which will be on top and that will be the selected option. And then we have standard shipping. So standard order during holidays might be delayed. So ships next business day. So you can actually see that it's working and it will tell the customers right there that if they order during the holiday, their shipment might be delayed. So as you can see right here, we still have the new customer discount. And because we are in the United States, we have the cash on delivery. Okay guys, and this just goes to show that the Be Sure checkout rules actually works. And all of the rules that we have added will now go and actually make your checkout page even better on Shopify. And that's it, just a few powerful ways to customize your checkout with the Be Sure Checkout Rules app. So you can actually go and you can control shipping and payment options, add automatic discounts, improve customer experience, increase conversions, which is the most important part. So make sure that you go and check out the app right here. I'll leave the link down in the description of this video. And there are many more customization options available. So you can actually go and tailor your checkout exactly the way you want it to ensure that you get more customers. Okay guys, and that will be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.